Smooth bubble-free epoxy isn't just about mixing, it starts with a stable workspace. Checking your temperature is the easiest way to guarantee success. Do this before you even open a bottle. Make sure your environment is ready before the resin hits the cup. Think of craft resin tabletop like honey. It's a thick formula. It reacts heavily to the room temperature. Below 72 degrees Fahrenheit, the resin thickens up instantly. Bubbles get trapped and won't move. They set up camp. Above 77 degrees Fahrenheit, your working time shrinks fast. You also risk the resin overheating. Humidity is another silent trouble. Above 60%, moisture settles on the wet surface. This causes cloudiness or greasy spots. A cold surface is also a problem. Warm resin hitting a cold wooden slab tightens up. This thermal shock ruins the levelling. It locks bubbles right at the bottom. The secret is a steady 72 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. This range is the Goldilocks zone for craft resin. Not too hot, not too cold. It keeps the resin thin so bubbles can escape easily. Let your project sit in the room first. It needs to reach the same temperature. Aim for humidity between 40 and 50%. A simple thermometer and hygrometer are vital tools. They help you keep the stable climate that craft resin needs for a high gloss finish. Turn off fans while it cures. Keep drafts away to prevent surface cooling. Your resin wants calm, not a wind tunnel. Control the room to control the results. Keep it warm and dry and your resin will stay clear every time. If this helped, share it with a friend. No one should work in a cold garage. Tell me in the comments, what is your workshop temperature right now? Let's see who has the most extreme setup.